celebrity Big Brother star Stephen Bear told his fans of his devastation after his puppy Wolverine tragically died, just days after the star had his name tattooed onto his neck. However, in the wake of Wolverine's sad death, Stephen was viciously slammed by a fan and blamed for the death of the dog. Now, to put any speculation to rest, the former Ex on the Beach star has explained exactly what happened, and wants to put an end to the horrific negativity on social media. "There's a rumors going round that I've ed my dog," he said on Instagram to his 1.3 million followers. "I wasn't going to say anything, but I'm just going to put to bed what actually happened." He continued, "My dog fell really ill. It couldn't eat its food and was fed from its paw from a glucose drip. When they took the drip out of its paw, it turns out the paw got infected. When they bandaged it up, after they removed the needle it was too tight so it lost circulation, and his paw was infected. I went to 3 different vets, and it turned out his arm had to be amputated or get put down. So I paid over £2,000 to have his leg amputated, obviously to keep him because I love him. I love them. I don't put animals down. I'm not cruel to animals. It upsets me that people would think I'd do my dog any harm." A vicious critic had previously hit out at Stephen online, claiming Bear was irresponsible in the run-up to the dog's death. The rant read, "I don't know why Stephen Bear is getting so much sympathy over the loss of his puppy. You were taking him outside before he had his full injections. No surprise he caught an infection resulting in needing his leg amputated at a few weeks old." On the next video, he added, "After all that trauma he survived, and I was so happy." Then a few days passed and he couldn't walk properly on his other paw. People were messaging me saying, "How can you let your dog walk around after an operation? Just so you know, the vet advises your dog to run around so its joints don't seize up. Your dog is allowed out in the garden and he won't catch nothing even though he hasn't had his injections. It's fine. Unfortunately, I woke up and I found my dog dead in its blanket." The 28-year-old then captioned the video with a message of positivity, thanking his gorgeous new girlfriend Ellie O'Donnell for her support during the clearly difficult time. "Everyone needs to stop this negative talk, it's not a healthy way to live," he added. "I need to say what happened because what I'm reading is horrific and I notice that people love to put others down and fail. Before you spread negative energy, just look around and look at your current situation. Winners focus on winning and building people up. I lost my dog. Show some respect. Just because I laugh all the time doesn't mean I didn't care. All they see is the smiles and the happy times because I'm that person. No one sees the endless tears it put me and my family through. I never write a lot on social media, but a lot of people need to stop putting others down. Just so you know, it will never affect me your comments because I laugh, but anyone else you could really lower their confidence and make them self-harm. I'm just very lucky to have the best family I could ask for and some amazing friends and an amazing girlfriend who is just," followed by a flame emoji.